Hello there, James here, and I get the feeling you're looking for luggage. Well, I just found this, the TravelPro Maxlite 4, and it is the 25-inch version, which I believe measures the interior measurements. And I was looking for something to upgrade from a duffel bag. I usually have a carry-on duffel bag, and I wanted something with wheels, a handle, something that was reliable. This one was developed by a Pilot airline, and it's preferred by airline professionals worldwide, apparently. I'm gonna take it to New York on my trip, and I'm gonna give you a review of it. Here I'll give you the measurements, and the link actually is down below in the description. If you're on your phone, you gotta hit that arrow over there. It'll take you down to the description. You can link, get the current price. The price I paid was $100. 25 inch on the interior, 27 inches from top to bottom, the very top of the handle to the bottom of the wheels. The depth is 12 inches at the deepest, and the width is 18 inches. Add those together and that's 57 inches. The airline standard for checkable luggage is 62 linear inches. This is 57. The Maxlite 4 TravelPro, developed by a Pilot. Like I said, the link's down there, check it out. I'm gonna pack it up and spend a week with it, and then I'll get back to you with my impressions. All right, here we are at our destination of Albany, New York. The best thing about this bag currently that I've noticed is this part. The dreamlike glide of the bearings and the wheels. Rugged. So far, so good. Here's my nephew, Mickey. Mickey, look at the camera and say hello. How does the, that's called a Maxlite 4 TravelPro. How does that, yeah? Could you see yourself traveling the world in that, Mickey? No? Well, there you have it. Mickey's review of the TravelPro Maxlite 4. He says no traveling the world with it. But I personally believe that I like the 360 degrees of rolling motion.
$123. There you go, people. You don't want that.
All right, wave.
That's my cat.
Who's this?
That's my cat.
Say bye, Mick.
Bye.
All right, it comes as no surprise that this thing did the trick. Passed the durability test, the convenience test, the smooth rolling tests, the enough luggage packed test. I spent 2 weeks up there unplanned. It was supposed to be a week, but a hurricane came along down here. Flight got delayed. I took the opportunity and spent 2 weeks. I had plenty of even cold weather clothes packed. I had boots. I overpacked to see what this thing could take, and it takes a lot. There's only one slight con, one slight disadvantage to this, and that is the fact that it may be a common luggage because it's so, frankly, reliable and good and affordable. So at the baggage claim, I saw a couple similar ones. Just keep a name tag, but I'm sure you already knew that. So the link's down below. I say buy it. It's affordable, reliable, durable. It's just good. Also, basically, I had this on check and this on carry-on. This bag I did a video on. It's down there in my videos. Check it out. Both these bags are good. So win-win. I'll see you next time. Keep it real, and let's do this damn thing. What do you think, Abby? Was that a good video? Was that a good video? What do you think, Abby? Was that a good video?